Hi friends, welcome to Craft Magic. Today I will be showing you how to make a purse using old cloth. So here I have used an old unused churidar top to make the purse. This is the old churidar top from which I made that small purse. Now I will be showing you how to make a longer purse. Already I have made a small one, so I am going to make a longer purse using this cloth. Cut a rectangular piece of cloth from the churidar top. This is the piece of cloth that I have cut and kept, and you can see that there is a lining cloth of the salwar. So if you want to use that same lining for your pouch, you can keep it as it is. Otherwise you can discard that cloth. Here I am using a canvas cloth instead of the lining of that old churidar. So if you use this canvas cloth, your purse will look stiff. I think it would be good if you use this type of canvas cloth as the lining. Since I am not using this churidar top's lining, I am going to cut off that lining. This is the rectangular piece of cloth which I have cut and kept. You can increase or decrease the size of the cloth according to your wish. Cut the canvas also in the same length of the cloth. Now take the back side of the cloth and place it neatly on the table without any folds. Now on top of this we have to paste the canvas cloth. Again we have to stick both the cloths. So here I am using hot glue gun. If you don't have hot glue, you can also stitch both the cloths. If you have a sewing machine, it would be very easy for you. Otherwise you can do hand stitching. Apply hot glue on all the four sides of the cloths and stick them together. I have sticked both the cloths neatly. Again what we have to do is we have to fold from the edges of the cloth. Like this, as I am doing in the video. You have to do it on all the four sides of the cloth and stick that edge using hot glue. I have done sticking all the edges of the cloth. Now next we have to fold the cloth from the middle. Fold the cloth as shown in the video and we have to keep this aside. Now next step is to make the zipper for the purse. To make the zipper for the purse, we will use the same zip of the churidar top. Remove the zipper from the churidar top using scissors. After removing the zipper, you could see the cloth pieces are attached to the zipper. So we have to remove the cloth piece. So for that I am using a safety pin to remove the stitches. So only if you remove the stitch, you will be able to take the cloth from the zipper. After removing the cloth on top, this is how the zipper looks. Again we will attach the zip on the purse. On this side of the zipper cloth, you have to make a knot using a thread and a needle. Take the cloth which we have folded and kept aside. Now unfold the cloth to place the zipper. Place the zipper on the cloth as I have shown in the video. Now we will stick the zipper on the cloth with the help of hot glue. I have fixed one side of the zipper on the cloth. Now same way we will fix the next side of the zip on the cloth. You could see some excess zipper cloth coming out of the purse cloth, so I am going to cut that using scissors. Next, we'll stick this side of the zipper cloth using hot glue. Next, we have to stitch the opposite side of the zipper, which we have left aside without stitching. Now the zipper is attached to the purse. Next, we have to stick this edge using hot glue. The purse is almost ready now. Last, we have to make a tassel for the purse. For that, I have taken a thick cardboard. Now, to make the tassel, you can use any color thread of your choice. Here I have taken orange color thread because I have an orange color design on my purse cloth. To make the tassel, you have to start winding the thread on the cardboard piece as I am doing in the video. I have winded the thread on the cardboard almost 120 times. Now after winding the thread, you have to cut off the excess piece of thread. Using your finger, just bend the cardboard slightly. Insert a small piece of thread through the gap which you have made and tie all the threads together. When you are tying the thread, make sure that you are tying it tightly, otherwise the threads will come out. Cut the threads using the scissor as I am doing in the video. If necessary, you can put 2 more knots in between the threads to keep it tight. Comb the thread to make it neat. Use a scissor and trim the edges of the thread. I am using this blue color thread on top of the tassel. Hold the tassel on top and wind the blue color thread on the tassel. Tassel is ready now. Again we will fix the tassel on the zipper pull. Our purse is ready now. So this is the other small purse which I have shown you before. I am using this long purse as my cosmetic organizer. You can see that the inside of the purse looks very neat because we have used cloth canvas. The small purse I am using to keep my pencils, pen and all stationery items. Dear friends, hope you all like the video. So again onwards, instead of simply discarding old churidar tops, you can keep them aside and make these type of purses. You can make smaller ones or larger ones according to your choice, and you can use it as a storage organizer. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and provide your valuable feedbacks about this video. Thank you for watching.